Hi there, this is Norm. This video is about the repair of the door on a Suburban oven in an RV. Our fifth wheel has an oven with a sprung door, and I took it apart, attempted to adjust the hinges, and was unsuccessful. And ultimately what I decided to do was to add a hasp, which is what you see here. I used JB weld to attach clamp to the side of the door, sanded the back of the holder, tapped with a nail 3 screw holes, and this is the beginning as you see here. After screwing it in, I closed the door and marked the location of the hasp as you see here. That was done with a felt pen. And then released the door. I did this holding the door in, and released it, applied the JB epoxy to the hasp, as you can see here, and taped it in place with blue painter's tape just to hold it. The JB worked really well. It gave it the full 24-hour cure, and I can now pop the door pretty easily. And you can see with the hasp removed, this is how the sprung works, and a lot of heat would escape, making baking pretty difficult. So, but by simply pushing in and attaching this, you can do it with one finger, and it has a little clip there to hook to hold it down. Worked really well, very easy, simple fix, about $5.